Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Once upon a time, a young man's father died. Aladdin, as that was the young man's name, took his father's place in running the family store with his mother. One day, a stranger walked into the store. "I am your uncle," said the stranger to Aladdin. "I have come to see you." "But my father never spoke of a brother," said Aladdin. Aladdin's mother turned around. "My husband had no brother," said she to the stranger, narrowing her eyes. "I assure you it is true," said the stranger. "Years ago, your husband and I agreed that if something should happen to him, since I have been very fortunate in my life, I will help to bring the same good fortune to your family." The mother was interested. "What do you have in mind?" she said. "I know of a secret place that holds many riches," said the stranger. "I will take your son. With the wealth he will find there, you and he will be set for life." And so the mother agreed. The old man and the boy traveled for days throughout the desert, and last they came to a cave. "You must know that I learned a bit of magic in my life," said the old man to Aladdin. "Don't be surprised to anything you might see." They stepped inside the cave. Pitch black it was. The old man shook open his fist and a ball of light suddenly appeared, brightening the cave. Under the light, with the one long finger, he drew the shape of a circle over the ground. He pulled from his pocket some red dust and threw it over the circle, and at the same time said some magic words. The earth trembled a little bit before them. The floor of the cave cracked open, and the cracks grew wider and deeper. Then up from below the ground rose a giant white quartz crystal, and it filled the circle. "Do not be alarmed," said the magician. "Under these giant white crystals lies a treasure that is to be yours." He chanted a few magic words, and the giant crystal rose up several times the air, moved to the side, and landed. Aladdin peered into the hole. He saw steps that led down to a dark hole. "Fear nothing," said the magician to Aladdin, "but obey me. Go down, and at the foot of the steps, follow a long hall. You will walk through a garden of fruit trees. You must touch nothing of them. Walk until you come to a large flat stone, and on the stone will be a lighted lamp. Pour out the oil in the lamp and bring it to me. Now go!" Aladdin slowly stepped down the stairs, through the garden of fruit trees, and marvelous to behold, the trees held fruits that sparkled and shone. He could not help reach out and touch one.
Congratulations, Mr. Kyle Recio, for a nice delivery of the story of Aladdin. Ang interesadong mag-join sa IVFC, join na po kayo every Friday and Saturday. Ito po ay English Language Day. See you then!